Cuisine. Cuisine is a term used to describe a specific style or type of cooking that is associated with a particular region or culture. It refers to the food and cooking practices that are characteristic of a specific country, region, or group of people. Cuisine encompasses not only the ingredients and dishes but also the techniques, traditions, and cultural influences that shape the way food is prepared and enjoyed. Examples of cuisines from around the world include 1. Italian cuisine. Italian cuisine is known for its emphasis on fresh ingredients and simple preparation methods. It includes dishes like pasta, pizza, risotto, and various types of sauces. Examples of Italian dishes include spaghetti carbonara, margherita pizza, and tiramisu. 2. Chinese cuisine. Chinese cuisine is diverse and varies across different regions of China. It incorporates a wide range of ingredients and cooking techniques. Popular Chinese dishes include fried rice, dim sum, sweet and sour chicken, and Peking duck. 3. Mexican cuisine. Mexican cuisine is vibrant and flavorful, often featuring ingredients like corn, beans, chili peppers, and tomatoes. It includes dishes such as tacos, enchiladas, guacamole, and salsa. A famous Mexican dish is the traditional mole sauce, which is made with a variety of spices and chocolate. 4. Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine is known for its rich flavors and extensive use of spices. It offers a wide range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Examples of Indian dishes include curry, biryani, samosas, and naan bread. Each region in India has its own unique culinary traditions. 5. French cuisine. French cuisine is renowned for its elegance and emphasis on high-quality ingredients. It includes dishes like coq au vin, beef bourguignon, escargots, and crème brûlée. French cooking techniques, such as sautéing, braising, and baking, are widely used. These are just a few examples of the vast array of cuisines found around the world. Each cuisine has its own distinct flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods, which reflect the cultural heritage and traditions of the people who prepare and enjoy the food. Exploring different cuisines can be a fascinating way to learn about different cultures and broaden your culinary horizons.